Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the essentials so you can iterate quickly. Set the slide size to 16:9 and pick a clean base template. This aligns visuals across devices. Once done, define 1 to 2 typefaces and a clear size hierarchy, heading, subhead, body, so text scales predictably. Then import your brand or project colors and create 3 to 5 swatches to keep contrast and consistency. Make sure to save this slide master before adding content, because it speeds every subsequent slide. Now you assemble content with purpose. You should map each slide to a single idea and place content within a 1/3, 2/3 grid so visuals and text balance naturally. Once layouts are set, write concise headlines and keep slide count tight, 3 to 5 points per section, so your audience follows. Add high contrast images cropped to emphasize subject. Make sure image resolution suits screens, typically 72 to 150 dpi. Finally, apply simple transitions and test pacing, so each slide breathes without distraction. You complete the deck by polishing every element and validating output. Check alignment, contrast ratios, spelling, and slide timings. Adjust any crowded layouts. Once stable, export both PPTX and PDF, embedding fonts and images to prevent shifts on other machines. Rehearse with your presenter notes and time a full run to confirm flow. If something breaks during playback, fonts shift or images missing, open the exported PPTX on a known good machine, relink assets, and re-export. That single relink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.